Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a watermark for your videos like the one I have right here. So I'm going to show you how to make a watermark for your videos. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you can go ahead and open Adobe Fireworks CS3. So let me open that, just give me a sec. My computer's running slow today. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Got caught up in crap. Alright, so then you go to File, New. Make sure the width is 100, height 100, both pixels. Canvas color transparent. Click OK. So then you have that. Now you click there. You hold down the left button there, and you pick a shape that you want your watermark to be. I want mine to be a circle. So then just take that, make a circle about the size of the thing. That might be alright. Hang on. That's kind of outside. I have to do that again. Alright. There we go. Alright. Now that you have that, click here. From solid, go to. You can click whichever one you want. I don't know. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna use waves. That looks kind of cool, I guess. And then you're gonna click here for colors. Do not move these whatsoever. Click here, and I don't know. Put it wherever you want, like whatever color you want. So I'm gonna choose red and orange. No, red and blue. No, it doesn't look right. Red and white. Oops. Red and white might look right. That looks fine. Alright, so once you have your colors that you want, it'll be like right here. Alright, so after that, you can choose a border. I like mine to be blue, dark blue. Right. Once you got that, add text. You want to put your name in it. So you click the text button, and then you hold it down wherever you want to put the text, and then you add the text here. So I'm going to add WF8211. Alright, and then to move the text, you're going to click on this black thing here, black pointer. Click here, and you can just move it into the middle. There we go. There. And then you click File, Save As, and then save here. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Do example, save. Alright, so once you have that, you'll see this right here. I use Camtasia Studio 6. I honestly don't care what you use, just as long as it has a watermark thing. But I'm going to show you how to put it on for Camtasia Studio 6. I'm going to go ahead and open Camtasia Studio. I'm going to go exit out of this, go to batch production, add files or projects, add your, make sure once you finish here, save your file. So I'm going to use this for now. Click open, outline. That was an outline to one of my videos. Click preset manager. You guys just watch my old HD video. I'm going to go really fast. I'm going to go sample 3. Oops. I'm gonna go really fast since I already made a video about this. Make everything HD. If you want, you can just keep pausing to see. And then here's where you got it. So once you're here, you just click include watermark. Click options. Click open. Go to your desktop. Click the example. Open. I like mine at 75. Image scale is usually for me 16. Horizontal offset 10. At the bottom, click OK. Click finish. Click close. Click next. Click next. Click finish. And it'll start rendering. I'm going to cancel this for now, because this one's going to take a really long time. I'm going to import media. I'm just going to do one picture. Open. Alright. Keep going. I'm going to start the preview play. As you can see, it kind of flames. I was bored when I made that. I don't know why. Alright, so now I'm going to click produce video as example 3 right here. Click yes. Next. Example. Desktop. Next. Finish. And then it should start saving really quickly. It should make a folder here that says example. Yeah, just gotta wait a second. Alright, now that it's done, just click finish. Move this. Click on, oh, it's opening. Okay. And as you can see, my awesomely cool just made watermarks at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and click play. As you can see, it stays there. The whole video. I don't know if that's in the way of my own watermark, so I'm just gonna move it like that. Alright, so as you can see, it's right in the middle there. So that's basically all. I got the whole thing. Yeah. No, I do not want to save this. So yeah, that's how you do it in Camtasia Studio 6. I don't know how to do it in any other thing because I've never actually used another thing. I'm pretty sure Windows Movie Maker doesn't use it either. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Rate, comment, subscribe. So yeah, guess I'll see you later, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.